Good morning. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. How you all doing out there, friends? Snowing in city Chicago. You can see it. This is a backyard out here. There my dog and my kids be playing. It's pretty deep, almost 40 some inches above, I believe. You can see the fence, that covered all the way top, and a squirrel, a chipmunk, you see, stop up on the wires running. You see, it doesn't matter, they don't care the cold. Oh wow, how warm they are. I wonder. I fed rabbit to Rocky other day. Since it's winter time, you can feed a raw meat to your pit bulls or any breed of dog you have. And summertime or other days, you have house flies flying around and infected, so they can contaminate your dog food. So please make sure to boil your raw meat or chicken or anything you gonna give it to your dog or your pet. And this is it, and it's still snowing. See, it's covered, and there is so much. And have a good day, guys.